somehow it needed more. Oh, maybe the way that our hearts became true is the same way they all do. When I wake up, I want to see the sun shine across your face. When I walk with you, I want your hand in mine in your pocket space. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. Our love is typical. All these words, they've been oversung. All the ways to say that you are mine. But the moment that our eyes align, I'll remember for a long
Really early bird. That's why I was all afraid we were gonna get here too early.
I want to see the sun shine across your face. When I walk with you, I want your hand in mine in your pocket space. When we make up, I want to sing this song to apologize. When I grow old with you, I want to see your smile in the lines around your eyes. Our love is typical. 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 Our love is typical.
I've been sitting wondering in my bedroom how to move along and bright my day. I've been low-key for a while from over emotions. Gotta go and smell the air and find a way. Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? I'm tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go.
Hello. Please have a seat over there. Hello. Hello. That's correct?
Yes.
Please have a seat over here.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Hate it.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes in my way. Come distance. I can't fight this feeling.
Please. Okay, calculate if you take it on yourself. Yes. Take it on yourself, you're good to go.
Okay. That's why it's like I don't want to go in the other room.
Yeah, I knew that.
Forever to bring a laptop over, and that's why as soon as I was like, yeah, we're good.
We were thinking the same thing.
Yeah. Oh, you don't want me to talk?
Good morning.
Okay.
It's only when it's right for you. I just got this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling no more. Call it how it is. Why you keep on making a fool of me? You know all the spice that make my walls drop, turning me on, then you go and let me down. You know that I want it, but I can feel your vibe. You keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you. I just got this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling no more. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling.
Sideways this Hello. Hello. Welcome to time. Get onto the Wi-Fi so I can fix stuff.
So you're gonna get there first.
Yeah.
So you just take the GoPro out and just record as you go.
Okay.
And I'll be downstairs shooting.
Okay, how am I gonna find you?
I don't know. Do I have to go with you then? I guess I have to go with you.
No, well, the problem is, well, I would say we get chat through the app, but you won't have the Wi-Fi to get on the app.
I can go with you.
Yeah, because what I can do is go get it, and then I can just post up and sit down somewhere with your stuff, and you can kind of do a quick, walk around.
make you feel alone. Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it.
They make sure that you haven't been to other countries.
Oh,
That's why they're looking at all your stamps. Oh my gosh, where did we go? Oh, over there. What's the time so far?
I haven't checked.
If you want to drop it, you can drop it in the bin. But let's get your picture first. Mask off. Mask off, of course.
Hello, hello, thank you. Wonderful.
This one.
Perfect, thank you so much. You can go up this table. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Awesome. Your stateroom's already ready. We're on a cruise ship. 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 Woo! Yay! It's been too long.
Oh, now I can relax. Test are done.
I know. Oh my God! Please let it not like get to me this close.
Gazing at the blue of the night, stars are filling up the sky. You take my hand in yours, we'll make our own constellations. I could say how much you mean to me, but it won't mean a thing, 'cause words never sound quite right. Let's find our own kind of language. We've searched the whole world and all around it. Didn't know what we were looking for.
Hey, look at here, look at here, look at here. That's all right with me. Let's come on in, babe. Come on in so I can take my cameras out.
Okay. No, I actually was seeing the rooms next on either side.
No one's ever seen, no